Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're gonna start with Unit 14, Natural Resources. So get your student book and let's work together. Natural resources. Let's start with some vocabs. Here we have natural resources. Natural resources. Natural resources. We can find them in the environment. We have two kinds of natural resources. Renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. And this is non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources. Let's see them in details. Renewable resources. They are resources that we can use again and again. Like what? Like air and sunlight and water and soil and plants. And the other kind, non-renewable resources. They are resources that we can't use for a long time, like natural gas and oil and coal. To protect the natural resources, we should save them. Save. How? We mustn't pollute air. Pollute. Now let's see exercise number 1. Listen and write true or false. Let's listen.
Natural resources are found in the environment without any help from anyone. We have two kinds of natural resources. Resources that we can use again and again, like air, sunlight, water, soil, and plants. And resources that we can't use for a long time, like coal, oil, and natural gas. So, we have to save them, and we mustn't pollute air, water, and soil.
Now let's do the exercise. People help find natural resources. False. Natural resources are found in the environment without any help from anyone. Chairs, tables, and houses are examples of natural resources. False. Air, sunlight, water, soil, and plants are examples of natural resources. Coal, oil, and natural gas last for a long time. False. They don't last for a long time. Sunlight, water, and plants last for a long time. True. Exercise number 2. Listen and number the natural resources in the order you hear them. هون رح نرتب الموارد حسب مين سمعنا أول. Let's listen.
1. Natural gas. 2. Coal. 3. Soil. 4. Oil. 5. Sun.
Now let's do the exercise.
1. Natural gas. 2. Coal. 3. Soil. 4. Oil. 5. Sun.
Let's look at this picture. Here we have fossil fuel, fossil fuel, fossil fuel. It means fuels such as gas, coal, and oil that were formed underground from plant and animal remains millions of years ago. Let's look at examples of fossil fuels. We have coal, oil, natural gas that are formed underground. Let's look at this picture. Here we have water. Water is a natural resource. What do we use it for? We use it for drinking and generating electricity. Generating electricity. Generating electricity. Now exercise number 3. Practice a similar conversation. هون مطلوب منا نعرف شو هي الموارد الطبيعية ولشو منستخدمها ونعطي مثال لكل وحدة فيهم وليش مهم جدا إنه نحافظ عليهم. Let's read. Rana, what are natural resources, Sami? Sami, they are resources that are found in the environment. What do we use them for? For example, water is used for drinking and generating electricity. That's interesting. But we have to use them carefully because some of the natural resources will not last forever. Now let's move on to pronunciation. هون في عنا صوتين مختلفين عن بعض. الصوت الأول هو صوت أو أو منشكله إما من حرف الأو مع الدبليو مثلا now town أو منشكله من حرف الأو مع اليو مثل loud found etc. وعنا كمان صوت الأوي أوي. هذا الصوت بيتشكل كمان إما من حرف الأو مع الآي بوسط الكلمة مثل oil soil أو بيتشكل من حرف الأو مع الواي بآخر الكلمة boy boy. وقفوا الفيديو اقرأوا الكلمات بعدين كملوا معي. Now let's move on to exercise number 4. Before you read, discuss the following question. What are the most important natural resources that we should care about? منلاحظ إنه عنا بعض الصور اللي نقدر نحكي عنها. We have water, sunlight, plants, soil, and air. Now let's see some vocabs. Here we have kinds of natural resources. kinds أو فينا نقول types. We should care about the environment. Care about. We should grow plants. Grow. Here we have a forest. Forests provide us with oxygen. Provide. The word provide means to give something to someone. Factories cause air pollution. So we should reduce air pollution. Forests provide clean air. Here we have living things. We should protect water in order to survive. Now let's read the text. Read the text and do the tasks below. There are different kinds of natural resources, but the most important ones that we must care about are air, soil, forests, water, and oil. Clean air is important for all living things to stay alive, so we have to work hard to reduce air pollution. Soil is also very important because it helps plants grow. People should plant trees to have more forests because they provide clean air. Everyone must care about water, which is the main source of life. ننتبه لبعض الكلمات اللي مرقت بالنص مثل should اللي نستخدمها لإعطاء نصيحة. must و have to بيوضحوا وجود ضرورة. وقفوا الفيديو وقرأوا النص، تأكدوا من معرفتكم لجميع المفردات، بعدين كملوا معي. Now let's do the exercises. A. Choose the correct answer. A, B, or C. There are many different materials, types, things of resources. Types of resources. Clean air is important for all living things to die, be sick, survive. The main source of life is wood, water, salt. Water. The word provide means to give something to someone, to stop something, to help someone. To give something to someone. Now exercise B. Fill in the spaces with words from the list. Live, helps, plant, resources. طبعا هون الحل بيكون حسب الترجمة. Soil is very important because it helps plants grow. Air, soil, forests, and water are natural resources. All living things need water and air to live. People should plant trees. لاحظوا كيف استخدمنا should لإعطاء نصيحة. That's everything for today. Thanks for your time. See you next lesson إن شاء الله.